Things are about to get good.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing the NWO from South Korea, weighing in at 230 pounds, the Idol, Gordon Youngblood.
Everyone in this match is competing at such a high level. I predict one of the most competitive matches we've seen in a very long time.
The look of focus and determination on his face. He wants to show the world that he can compete on this high level.
Here we go, guys.
난 많이 먹었지. 내가 첫 번째로 먹었던 돈가스는 어렸을 때 엄마가 해준 돈가스. 그런데 첫 번째 방황이는 비타민 돈가스. 이까지 머리부터 밥부터 먹어봐. 다리부터 밥을 봤냐? 어디부터 먹었어? 나머지 팔을 다 먹었어. 가지고 먹었어.
It's one that the WWE Universe has wanted to see. It's one that I've been waiting to see. And it's about to go down.
엄청 바삭거리는 돈가스 먹어봤는데 진짜 맛있었어. 근데 너무 비쌌어. 이런 건 너무 비싸서 먹을 수는 없었어. 근데 엄마가 해준 돈가스 다시 먹어보니 정말로 맛있었어. 이제 시중에 파는 돈가스도 발전하는 중.
He is in perhaps the best shape of his career, and he will need that with the competition level this high.
그래도 맛있어 왜 엄마가 해준 정성이 들어갔으니까 맛있어 왜 맛있으면 된 거잖아. 매일매일 또 먹어.
And here we have a superstar with a big chip on his shoulder.
He has certainly felt overlooked recently.
Well, he has a chance to change that perception in this matchup.
He's taking on a guy that's looking to put him in his place here tonight. This guy's been saying all week how he's going to prove a point in this match tonight. And a stomp to the gut.
He answers right back.
Got the leg and
Elbow drop.
Tendons and ligaments in the leg can be easily damaged by that.
Fends it off. Good counter. Oh, and he stops that offense.
and slamming their opponent's face to the canvas.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment. Draped over the top rope.
Looking for a belly-to-back suplex.
Back suplex into the neck breaker. He's already feeling the effects.
Sure, he's taking some offense, but it's still so early.
Big boot! Jeez. This is not looking good for him.
He's got to fight his way back into this.
Totally helpless at the moment. Oh, look at this. And did you hear the impact of that? There's no good way to land on the ring apron like that. The location has the least give out of the entire ring.
Brutality. Every strike more devastating than the last. Body slam slipped out. Inverted DDT.
Up the rope he goes. Time for him to get back to the ring.
From way up. Ooh.
He's just stacking up these attacks.
Sky high.
Flying. Oh.
Uh-oh. Carefully measured. Big leg drop.
He's starting to look battered.
This whole match has been such a pendulum of offense, though.
Placed him in the corner here.
Splashed into the corner. Oh, no.
Here it comes! It's my favorite part! Warm it up for the Caterpillar! The Caterpillar! I love it! He's going for the pin!
Forces the shoulder up after two.
How in the world did he kick out? And he puts a quick stop to the momentum that was mounting against him.
Yeah, he clearly just got a much-needed boost of energy and defiance.
Wow, elbow!
Right to the spine. Carefully measuring, waiting to strike.
Ankle lock.
An agonizing hold to be caught in.
Wrench.
This is a tough submission to be in, but he found his way out. He's in his grasp. Nice scoop slam. And he's letting his prey stumble right into his trap.
Tossed upside down with the backdrop. Off the ropes.
Leg drop. No idea how he's even able to continue in this match.
I'm positive this wasn't in his game plan, but if he wants to survive this match, he needs to come up with a new plan ASAP. Flips their opponent around into the flatliner.
Quickly transition. Shoulders are down.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, no. He doesn't get the three.
What a match. Finishing blow he needs.
Here's the pin. He stays alive. He stays alive.
Within inches of victory, only to have it snatched away.
This match just keeps getting more and more exciting.
Just dished out his most devastating offense, and you got to be wondering if he's thinking one more time will be the charm.
Soaring.
Diving shoulder tackle.
Gets out of dodge.
Big boot. Dismantling the arm in the corner.
Gotta hurt.
Check out this power in the corner. Snake eyes.
Shoulders down, going for the win. Down to the wire. Who's going to give in first?
Here it comes. Legendary. Hell's Gate.
This is bad. This is real bad.
The Goga is locked in.
And he breaks his own submission.
Maybe his plan was just to soften his opponent with that hold.
Carrying the opposition. What's the thought here? Oh, right to the throat.
Ooh, well measured. Oh, man.
Targeting the arm now. And he's being totally cut off here.
He needs to figure out a way to be more aggressive.
Ooh, bullseye.
Down to opponent and a double axe handle smash. For a big leg drop. He's in a very bad spot, totally out of it.
Splash.
Uh-oh. Things are about to get worse for this competitor.
I figured you'd like this one, Byron.
Boom. He's covering in. He's got him.
Shoulder up, shoulder up.
How this match is still going on defies all reasoning. Oh dear, this doesn't look good.
Ouch. That's
one way to get your opponent out of the corner.
And he's in total control right now, only gaining more and more momentum.
Everything's falling his way right now.
And he retaliates.
At last, he's keeping that string of offense in check.
This could be the turning point for him. It could be the start of a rally.
There's not a single... Ankle lock. Oh, look at the torque.
Trying to escape this with that ankle intact.
This is when you need to find a way.
And he just decides to end the hold.
Wonder what he's thinking here.
Clothesline. Oh, boom!
Taking steps toward the top rope. From the top.
Good Lord! Taking flight from ring post to ringside, risking it all paid off.
Boom! Reverse STO.
And he's definitely making this unexpected burst of energy count for something.
No idea where he's getting this from, but he's not letting the pain and fatigue stop him from going.
Oh, man. Jarring headbutt. Close the books. This one is over.
Cover. That will end it.
Here is your winner, the Idol,
Guys, it's rare we see such a closely contested match.
Unbelievable match. What an astounding effort.
Pushing through exhaustion to come out on top. What a competitor.